Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 10 healthy smoothie recipes for a detox. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content.
Number 10. Ginger spice. To cook ginger spice, combine flour, ginger, cinnamon, baking soda, salt, and brown sugar. In a separate bowl, mix melted butter, molasses, eggs, and vanilla extract. Gradually add dry ingredients to wet mixture. Shape dough into balls, roll in sugar, and place on baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes.
Number 9. Pineapple Bliss. To cook pineapple bliss, combine fresh pineapple chunks, coconut milk, honey, and a pinch of salt in a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into popsicle molds and insert popsicle sticks. Freeze for 4 to 6 hours until firm. Serve chilled.
Number 8. Creamy avocado. To cook creamy avocado, mash ripe avocados with lime juice. Add Greek yogurt, minced garlic, chopped cilantro, and salt. Mix well. Serve chilled and garnish with a sprinkle of paprika.
Number 7. Supercharged Greens. To cook supercharged greens, sauté garlic and onions. Add kale, spinach, and broccoli. Sprinkle with turmeric, cumin, and a pinch of salt. Stir in vegetable broth and cook until greens wilt. Finish with a squeeze of lemon juice. Done.
Number 6. Minty Fresh. To cook Minty Fresh, combine fresh mint leaves, lemon zest, lime juice, and a pinch of salt in a blender. Blend until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together honey and Greek yogurt. Gradually add the mint mixture and stir until well combined. Chill in the refrigerator for an hour. Serve chilled.
Number 5. Citrus Zing. To cook citrus Zing, squeeze oranges, lemons, and limes into a pitcher. Add crushed ice, a splash of sparkling water, and a drizzle of honey. Stir gently. Garnish with fresh mint leaves. Serve chilled.
Number 4. Detox Delight. To cook Detox Delight, blend fresh spinach, kale, cucumber, and green apple together. Squeeze in some lemon juice and add a handful of fresh mint leaves. Stir in a spoonful of chia seeds. Pour the mixture into a glass and garnish with a slice of lemon. Drink up.
Number 3. Tropical Paradise. To cook Tropical Paradise, blend juicy pineapple, ripe mango, and creamy coconut milk until smooth. Add a splash of tangy lime juice and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Pour into chilled glasses and garnish with a colorful umbrella. Sip slowly and escape to a tropical paradise.
Number 2. Berry Blast. To cook Berry Blast, blend frozen mixed berries, Greek yogurt, honey, and a splash of almond milk until smooth. Pour the mixture into popsicle molds and insert popsicle sticks. Freeze for at least 4 hours. Remove from molds and serve chilled. Number 1. Green Goddess. To cook Green Goddess, blend fresh avocado, basil, parsley, chives, lemon juice, garlic, and Greek yogurt in a food processor. Drizzle in olive oil until smooth. Season with salt and pepper. Serve as a dressing, dip, or spread. Refreshing and delicious.
Thanks for your watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.